Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to change your Uber Eats vehicle from a car to a bike. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's jump straight into it. So there are actually two ways you can do this. The first method is to contact Uber Help. Head over to the support page at help.uber.com. From there, you'll be able to speak with them via the live chat or contact them through email. You can simply request that your account be switched from a car to a bike. The second way is to create a second Uber account. For this method, set up one account for your car, and when creating the second account, set it up for a bike. And that's pretty much it. That's how to change your Uber Eats vehicle from a car to a bike. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.